Nice little combo set right here. Definitely worth buying. I'm just going to go ahead and say it. This is a no-brainer. I wish I had these decades ago. Oh my. And very affordable. They're wire cutters, crimpers, and automatic strippers. It's got this little stop here so you can meter the length that you want to strip on the wire. And it's this simple. You can just stick it in there, cut a piece off, put it in here, cut it off, do it again. I'm going to crimp with these strippers just to show you, and then I'll move on to the crimpers next. Line up the red to the red edge. Try to hold there as best you can. Give it a good squeeze. Okay, so there's a small gauge. This is a 10 gauge, which is the maximum size that you can do with this. So let's see how we do. Easy peasy. This one comes with this standard die. There are other options available, but this is a great crimping tool. This definitely gets a thumbs up. Highly recommend this set right here. Good value, great deal.